The reflection of this, Amos 5 verse 14, which is our daily verse. Today's Psalm 11. Gospel of the day, Matthew 5 verse 16. These three verses, though seemingly desperate, paint a powerful picture of faith, righteousness, and our impact on the world. They offer a roadmap for navigating life's challenges and finding true fulfillment. Seek good and not evil, that you may live. And so the Lord, the God of hosts, shall be with you, and you have spoken. This verse is a call to action, urging us to choose a path of righteousness. It's not just about avoiding evil, but actively seeking good in all we do. Being mindful of those around us, especially those in need, and offering a helping hand. Being truthful even when it's difficult, and standing up for what is right even when it's unpopular. Cultivating forgiveness and compassion, even for those who have hurt us. By choosing good, we invite God's presence into our lives, experiencing His blessings, guidance, and protection. In Psalm 11, in the Lord I take refuge. How can you say to my soul, flee like a bird to your mountain? This psalm speaks to the heart of faith. It's a powerful declaration of trust in God's justice and protection, even when the world seems to be crumbling around us. Recognizing that God is in control even when we don't understand His plan. Knowing that God is with us, even in the midst of our struggles. Believing that God will ultimately prevail over evil and bring justice to the world. Matthew 5 verse 16. Let your light shine before others, so that they may see your good works and give glory to your Father in heaven. This verse calls us to be beacons of light in the world. It's not enough to simply believe in God. We are called to live out our faith in a way that inspires others and reflects God's love. Letting our actions speak louder than our words, showing the world what it means to follow Christ. Bringing light and encouragement to those around us, especially those who are struggling. Living in a way that reflects God's character and inspires others to seek Him. So these three verses offers a powerful message for our lives. Seek good when it's difficult. Trust in God's justice and protection, even when we face challenges. Let our light shine before others, reflecting God's love and grace. When we embrace these principles, we can experience true life, find strength in God's presence, and bring hope and inspiration to the world.